Hi, I'm Kaylin Diamond, the consumer protection attorney here at Ziegler Diamond Law. If you've ever wondered how filing for bankruptcy might impact your credit score and what you can do about it, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. First things first, yes, bankruptcy does affect your credit score. Depending on your starting score, you could see a significant drop on the date of filing, somewhere between 1 to 200 points. However, if your score is already low, we have had clients whose scores have actually increased after their bankruptcy case is filed. Either way, remember, it's not permanent. Bankruptcy gives you the chance to reset financially, and in many cases, it's a strategic move to eliminate overwhelming debt permanently. The bankruptcy itself can stay on your credit report for 7 to 10 years. There's 3 main sections on every credit report: the personal information section, the account trade line section that shows individual accounts and their statuses, and the public record section. A bankruptcy can stay on the account trade line section for up to 7 years, and it can stay on the public record section for up to 10 years. But the important thing to remember is just because it shows on your report does not mean it's impacting your score. Generally, with active credit rebuilding habits after your bankruptcy discharge has occurred, your score could be higher than it was before you filed bankruptcy within 1 to 2 years after filing, sometimes even quicker. Now, the actionable steps to rebuild your credit are key to having the consistency and following a proven plan. There are 5 steps that we recommend. Number 1, review your credit report. Check for inaccuracies and dispute any errors. 2, open a secured credit card. This is one of the fastest ways to rebuild credit. 3, make all of your post-bankruptcy credit payments on time. Even a small bill can count at improving that credit score. Diversify your credit mix. Consider credit builder loans or small installment loans or vehicle loans. And 5, limit your new applications for debt. Too many inquiries can hurt your score further. However, obviously you need to apply for some new credit when you're ready after bankruptcy to rebuild that score, and the inquiries themselves only impact your credit for 6 months to a year. If you're dealing with debt or considering bankruptcy, do not navigate this alone. Our firm specializes in consumer protection, debt defense, bankruptcy cases, and improper credit reporting cases. Click the link below to schedule a free consultation with one of our attorneys to start taking control of your financial future. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights on managing debt and protecting your financial rights. Have questions? Drop them in the comments. I respond to as many as I can. Thanks for watching, and remember, financial freedom is possible even after bankruptcy. See you next time.